Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota Sienna with some great exterior features that include roof rails and 18-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key. Taking a first look inside, you've got black interior. This Sienna also comes equipped with power seat adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you have your cruise at the bottom. This Sienna comes with 114,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that, you have your tri-zone climate controls, followed by your outlets and your heated seat dials at the bottom. Taking a look at the second row seats, we have two cup holders in the back of the center console, along with storage pouches in each of the seat backs, and a set of climate controls in the headliner. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. The back of the Sienna comes with a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2016 Toyota Sienna with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, and all-weather floor mats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.